La 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 la, Jayden Potter. La la la, Jayden Potter. Oh, Jayden Potter. Yeah. Jayden Show. Yeah. Jayden Show. Do la 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 la, Jayden Potter. La. Jayden Potter.
Nice and good. Oh, hello there. Great to see you again. I've just finished putting up my rainbow on the shelves. What do you think of it? Oh, thank you.
It's very nice.
Oh, who said that?
It's me, Moo.
Oh, hello, Moo Moo. You're back.
I just wanted to say that rainbow looks so nice.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, before I go, I'm going to sing a lovely tune. La la la.
Oh, hold on, everyone.
Look. Oh well, so much for my rainbow. At least we can put it back together. Oh, hang on. I like the fact that these fit on my head. So does the orange. The others don't. Ooh, a curvy hat. A curvy hat. That's given me a great idea to do something. Let's make a curvy hat out of Play-Doh. Which colour shall we choose today? Dark blue. So first, get your Play-Doh and roll it into a snake. And then curve it so it looks like a shape like this. Now, for the hat's main shape. And flat it like this. And carefully curve it like this. If you find it difficult, ask an adult to help you. Ooh, looks good already, but we need the bottom part. So roll another snake and curve it again so it looks like this. Stick that down for the bottom part, and there we go, a Play-Doh curvy hat. You don't just have to do curvy hats. You could try some wavy hats or some straight hats like everyone likes. Why don't you make one of those today? And I've got my lovely rainbow. Rainbow is so beautiful. Yeah. What?
The ducks are asleep again.
Let's wake them up. Wow! Ah!
A duck. A duck.
I am a yellow duck.
I am an orange duck. I am purple duck.
I am green duck.
I am a duck.
I am an orange duck.
How many orange bits can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 orange bits.
Well done, orange duck. It's time to get back on the mantelpiece.
Oh, the ducks are asleep again, but they're still brilliant. I'm just trying to find out what the time is. There's no clocks around here. How can I tell the time? Oh, I know. I've got a good idea to do something. Let's make a watch. A pretend watch. The things you need are in the cupboard. Some clay. Some scissors. A shaker. No, I don't think we want this. Some paper and a crayon. First, we're going to use the clay from the watch shape. First, roll 2 snakes with your clay, like this. And then make a big shape, like this. It can be small. And we chose the paper because we're going to cut it and put it on the shape we made. Make sure it's the right size though. Be careful. Also, scissors are sharp too. So that will do. Now put it down. Let's see what we have so far.
It looks good already, but something is missing. The numbers! So let's do the arrows there. Now we can draw numbers 1 to 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
And there we go. A watch. It looks good. It's very great, but we can't really tell the time with it though.
Time to go! Time to go!
No! Oh, whale-mouth, just quickly. Isn't this the best crayon ever? Aren't I good at these?
Big face!
Oi, hang on, you cheeky whale. Well, my playtime is over, but yours is just beginning. See you soon!
If you like playing about like Jayden Parker, go to the Jayden show for some more ideas to play.